Zenichka Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. I would like to introduce you to a new sandwich, and this sandwich is so delicious. The star of the sandwich is a halloumi cheese. Halloumi cheese, if you never heard what is halloumi cheese, I will link below in description how to make your own if you cannot buy, but obviously you can find in Whole Foods, in Trader Joe, and many other supermarkets. I make my own. Also, you will need pita bread. You can buy or make, and I will link below recipe, also the video how I make this Cyprus style pita bread. It's oval versus round. And halloumi cheese, by the way, if you don't know, it's a Cyprus national cheese. It's delicious and can take a heat, which is meat we're going to grill. But before we start, I want to remind you, subscribe, give me a like, share with your friends, and let's do it. The other ingredients besides the main thing, the halloumi cheese, star of the dish, we need hummus. I have homemade plain hummus. You can use tzatziki sauce if you want, yogurt, plain yogurt, really whatever you want. It's sandwich so easy and kind of wrap for breakfast or lunch or brunch or really like dinner, whatever you want. I have a little bit of marinade onion. It's a red onion with some vinaigrette. Just take out of the strong punch of onion. It's nothing into it. It's easy to make. You can make this vinegar, lemon juice, whatever you want. Also tomato, and I will sprinkle a little bit with salt just right before you make a sandwich. It's nice to give a little bit flavor with salt. I have some Kalamata olives and some greens, dill, parsley, and curly kale. And let's do it. This cheese, such a briny, slightly salt, has mint, and it's salted with mint. It's traditional cheese and always made with mint. So we're going to slice, kind of like chicken would be sliced. It's very firm cheese, squeaky cheese. The cheese that make a noise. And I like to dry a little bit with a paper towel just to get rid of any moisture, because we're going to sear it on a well preheated cast iron pan. Let's fry. Oh yes, well preheated pan. Make sure your pita nice and warm and pliable, right? So all I like to do, I like to spread hummus. And place this nice, beautiful, hot halloumi cheese. Little bit of parsley, dill, a little bit of kale, a little bit of olive oil, and now look at this. I want to make, but looks irresistible. It's nice, healthy lunch, brunch, or can be breakfast even. If you want prep for lunch, this is nice ways to go, or foil, either one. That's how I like to make sandwich for my husband for lunch. And let me taste for you if it's good or not. Looks so good. Oh my goodness. It is good. Minty, briny. The halloumi cheese, actually you do. So yeah. You do taste it's a star of the dish, not a hummus. Even, I know many folks like hummus sandwich, but for me it's not enough protein, just a hummus. But hummus and cheese almost like a piece of chicken. It's so delicious, it's better. It's better than chicken, it's yummy. I convince you to make this delicious, nutritious sandwich, and make sure you check in the description below all ingredients, similar related recipe, and how to make from scratch this easy, quick pita bread. Also, how to make halloumi if you cannot find in your area. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.